All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching as always, much appreciated. If you've already done so, please subscribe to the channel. If you like this kind of content, if you give me a thumbs up and share the video, much appreciated. So a lot going on with PengolinCoin. Just wanted to do an update video. I haven't done one in a while. I've got quite a few tidbits of information that I want to get out there and make sure that everybody sees it. I'm on PengolinCoin's Discord, and you can see here a PengolinCoin was featured in an article on Newsbit, and you can find all these links and all this information in the Discord server. I'll leave a link in the description of the video on that, so you can check that article out. So if you want, you can trade wrapped PengolinCoin, our BEP20 Binance Smart Chain token on CryptoSwap. It's listed there. And if you keep scrolling down, so we set up a 3 pools for wrapped PengolinCoin on the Binance Smart Chain. The first one here is on SMB Swap. It's a DeFi exchange, and there's a pool set up for people with self tokens. You will earn the wrapped PengolinCoin token, and you can click here and see that news release on that. And you can come down here and click on here and you'll find the pool. So let's look at the pool real quick. And if you scroll down here on the bottom, you can see earning wrapped PengolinCoin pool. Here are the details. You connect your MetaMask or Trust wallet, and you'll be able to enter this pool with your self tokens. Right now, the APR is 1,041.8%, so a really good return. Looks like the highest return on their pool as of right now. So you can check that out. If you want, start earning some wrapped PengolinCoin, really great returns. So let's go back to the Discord server. So we got that pool open. We also have a pool on CryptoSwap Dex. You click on the link. You scroll down and you can see that you will be staking your CST tokens and you will earn wrapped PengolinCoin. Right now the APR is missing, but it should be about the same percentage APR. So you have that option if you want to do that. And one more we have on yield fields. So you click this link, it will bring you to here, and it asks you if you want to connect your MetaMask wallet if you have one in your browser, or you can use Trust. And down here you can see if you stake your field tokens, you're going to earn a wrapped PengolinCoin. You're going to have about the same percentage rate, I believe, and you can earn some pretty good returns there. Okay, so if you back up here, we're listed on Tokenlicious. So if you could vote for wrapped PengolinCoin there, just a way to get some free marketing, get the wrapped PengolinCoin token out there. We're also having a swap for nest egg holders. Their egg tokens can be swapped for PengolinCoin at the rate of 20 to 1. And you can direct message me, CryptoVin here. And you want to make sure it's me. You click on it. You'll see my number is 0097. And if you're interested in that, the ratio is 20 to 1. All egg will be burned, and you will receive your 20-to-1 ratio pangolin coin. So pangolin coins listed on ihostmasternode.com. I've used them before. Very good site. Very reasonable for masternode hosting. So this is a giveaway that Live Nodes is having in collaboration with our partners at PengolinCoin and Zero X Monero. We're giving away $50 to the first 500 users, 20,000 in wrapped pangolin coins. So retweet and like, register, and claim $50 in credits. You're registering on LNO's Casino. Pangolin Coin is also having a giveaway. This is in conjunction with the Live Nodes giveaway, and 2,500 Pangolin Coin. You have until September 19th, I believe, or 16th. You just have to click this link here and see. Just a couple of things you need to do, but entry is free. So you want to enter that. And we have a vote to get listed on wallet.app. Click the link. And please, if you could do us a favor, this is a good way to get listed for free. You want to just upvote here for Pangolin Coin and help us get listed on wallet.app would be much appreciated. And it would help our project along and therefore create more value for the users in the community. So I think that's going to be about it for today. I just wanted to go over that with you guys, get the word out there that these things are going on. And if you need more information, please come to our Discord server. Like I said, I'll leave links in the description, but also we have our WPGO P20 channel here. If you want more information about our wrapped pangolin coin on the Binance Smart Chain. Also, through our website, you'll find information about our token there. And you can see I listed everything here also on this channel. But there's a couple of things that I just want to point out. Here, our wrapped pangolin coin token passed the new BNB chain red alarm scan. So that was good. And also you can swap your BEP20 to PGO via the Discord tip bot. So here's how you do it. It's very easy. And if you need to do that, you can. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like I said, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and share the content. Get the video out there. Help support my channel. I'd much appreciate it. Trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, like I said. And also hit that notification bell. Much appreciated. Till next time, we'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.